How to fix your spacebar key not working on your computer or laptop. So if you're trying to press the spacebar key and nothing is happening, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. Now the first thing you want to do is open up the start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on accessibility and then scroll down and click on keyboard. Make sure sticky keys is turned off and make sure filter keys is also turned off, and then you can go and close out of this window. We're then going to open up the start menu and search for device manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down next to keyboards and you should be able to see your keyboard device in this list. Now go and right click on the keyboard and click on update driver, then press search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers are already installed, then come back over to the previous window and click on browse my computer for drivers. Now select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on this option here and then press next. Once you've done that, you'll need to restart your computer in order for your changes to take effect. Once your computer's restarted, you can check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the start menu, click on settings, click on Windows Update in the left hand side and click on check for updates. Now if there's any available updates, you'll need to go and install these now and then scroll down and click on advanced options. Scroll down and click on optional updates, and if there's any updates available next to Windows or driver updates, go and select these and click on download and install. Now if you have tried all of the steps so far and the spacebar's still not working, the final solution is you can try holding down the escape key on your keyboard and hold this down for around about 20 seconds. If this doesn't work, you can also hold down the backspace button and you can also try holding down the enter button as well. Once you've done this, your spacebar should now be working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.